Ever wonder why you're still driving to a physical branch just to hand over a paper check when your entire business runs online? I used to hold on to checks for weeks because I dreaded the errand, but once I switched my business banking to Relay, I realized I could handle the entire process from my desk in under 2 minutes. Relay is a digital-first platform, so their mobile deposit feature isn't just an afterthought, it's the core of how they handle cash flow. Here's exactly how I do it to ensure the funds hit my account without any delays. First, you need the Relay Financial mobile app. You can't deposit checks through the desktop browser since you need your phone's camera to capture the images. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap the Move Money button. From the list of options, select Deposit a Check. Before you take the photos, you have to prep the check correctly. This is where most people run into rejected status. Turn the check over and sign your name in the endorsement area. Crucially, you must write for mobile deposit at Relay only directly underneath your signature. If you omit that specific phrase, the automated system will likely flag it and kick it back to you. Once endorsed, you'll select which of your Relay checking accounts you want the money to go into. I love this because I can send a client payment directly into my taxes or operating expenses bucket without having to do a manual transfer later. Now, enter the exact dollar amount. When the camera opens, place the check on a dark, flat surface with plenty of lighting. Avoid holding the check in your hand, shadows or a shaky grip will cause blur. The app will prompt you to take a photo of the front and then the back. Make sure all 4 corners of the check are visible within the on-screen guides. After you review the images for clarity, hit Submit. In my experience, Relay is quick with processing. If I deposit a check before 3 p.m. Eastern Time on a business day, I usually see the funds available within 1 to 2 business days, though your first few deposits might take slightly longer while they verify your account. One final tip, keep that physical paper check in a secure spot for at least 2 weeks. Once you see the cleared status in your transaction history, you can safely shred it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.